KELLER, Kansas City location to explore its power and light. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, just letting you know of another area in Kansas City to make sure and check out. Well, this truly is a buzzing area of Kansas City between T-Mobiles, crowds for basketball games and concerts. Plus, we have the college basketball experience, cocktail bars, steakhouses, urban condos, and conference centers. Plus, my very favorite, the outdoor area for games and concerts. When we took in the championship at the Super Bowl, it was a loud, fun, overflowing energy place to watch that game and celebrate together as a city. Let's take a look at Power and Light. Thanks for exploring downtown Power and Light District with us. Make sure you hit subscribe to catch our next Kansas City experience. And if this downtown location looks like something you'd like to have 24/7, text us today for a consultation on downtown Kansas City living options. Again, Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams.